All right, guys, this is what you're going to do from the Emblem website. You're going to make sure your wallet's connected in the top right-hand corner. Then you're going to click on My Vaults. Your vault's going to pop up. You're going to click on it. Then you're going to click Unlock Vault, Get Private Keys. Your MetaMask is going to pop up. You're going to have to confirm the transaction. This was like $30 in gas. Gas is super expensive right now. Go ahead and click that. This is going to take maybe a minute or so to claim your vault. And so what's going to happen is basically it sends the NFT to the burn address, and then this basically allows you to reveal the private keys. So it's going to take a little bit of time. You may see some kind of movement on the page. Feel free to refresh the page, and eventually you're going to get the Get Keys button at the bottom. You can click on that, and by clicking on the Get Keys button, you're going to be asked, a pop-up is going to show up in your MetaMask asking you to sign that transaction. It's a gasless transaction. Just sign it and give it a minute. This also takes a little bit of time. And what's going to happen is a bunch of private keys are going to pop up. The one at the very, very bottom is for bells. So it's at the very, very bottom. I'm blurring it out here because I don't want you savages to go grab my 30 bells or whatever it was. But anyway, you click on that, and that's going to copy it, and you head on over to your Bell's wallet. You're going to click the Help button and then Debug Window. And then you're going to click Console. So you're going to select Console. And then in the box, you're going to enter some text, and I'm going to make it big for you. The important thing to know is that you are going to put spaces between the text you type in, your private key, and your wallet name at the end. So I named mine Adam, as you can see there. So the first word is import, IMPORT, PRIVKEY. So import priv key. It's kind of a weird spelling, but that's how you spell it. Then you're going to hit the space bar, and then you're going to hit parentheses, and you're going to paste in your private key. And then you're going to hit parentheses again, and then hit another space, parentheses, then the name of your wallet. I put Adam. You could put Joe or Frank or whatever you want. And then end parentheses, okay? And then just simply hit enter. And once you've hit enter, you should see this, where this is success. If you get something that's red in color, red text, you've done something probably wrong. So just go back. I've did this like 10 times because I had to figure out the spacing. You actually have to put that space in between the different, import private key, the actual key, and then the actual wallet address, in this case, Adam. You do have to put spaces, and remember those parentheses as well. If you have any problems, just give me a shout. Happy to help, and hope that helps, guys. Bye.